I think the fight is to ensure that we protect our indigenous people's rights, our children's future, and how we are going to hold on to our ground without compromising on the core demands of the next generation, which is survival and existence of the indigenous people.
Does
The BJP and the state government, not the central government, has been very clear that they would like to finish us off and rule the ADC, and that was very evident in the build-up of the last 4 or 5 months. So it is very clear that they were not keen on talking about the future of our indigenous people, our rights, but more interested in breaking up my party and ensuring that the tribal votes are broken up so that we can be ruled by their thinking and their view of how we should proceed in life. New Delhi has told me that they are very interested in fulfilling the demands that we have raised because our demands are genuine. And please be patient because there are some people in the state who would like the indigenous people to be deprived of the demands that we have made, and even Delhi accepts that injustice has been done to the indigenous people.
why
That what has changed, but the fact is very clear that I am the leader of the Brahmana and I will not compromise on certain core demands. Otherwise, I would have done so in the build-up to the 2023 elections also. But it was only after the Tripura Accord was signed that it was going in a right way. But in the last 8 to 9 months, it seems that certain people in the Tripura state are very clear in not giving anything to the tribal people, especially land rights, our education, our political rights, our economic rights.
today you have given a
Movement of mass education. But in the 18 months, if we can stay together, our mass education will bear fruits, not for my party, not for any political party, but for the children of the poor people who have been deprived for 75 years.
Is this
We are a very small state and people only tend to react to us only when elections are coming. We have a chance to negotiate with all